So far in chemistry, we've discussed matter, things that have mass and volume. But what about energy? Well, what is energy? And how does it play a role in chemistry? So energy is just the ability to do work. That's how you defined it in physics. That's how we're going to define it in chemistry. It's the ability to do work. It's the ability for molecules to do something. And this energy plays a role in how a chemical reaction occurs and if a chemical reaction will occur. And when we talk about energy in chemistry, it's important to talk about heat. Heat is a measure of the amount of energy gained or released by an object. We can also say the amount of energy transferred from one object to another. The symbol for heat is Q. So we use lowercase q to represent heat, and the unit is the joule. And the symbol for joule is J. How much energy exactly is a joule? Well, to see that, let's look at another unit for energy. And this unit is the calorie, or CAL for short. 1 calorie is defined as the energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So the calorie is the energy needed to raise the temperature of a gram of water 1 degree Celsius. The calorie is a term that you're probably familiar with, but it's not exactly the same thing as the food calorie, the one that you see on the back of a package in the nutrition facts. The food calorie has a capital C, abbreviated CAL, and is actually equal to 1,000 calories. So the calorie that we use in chemistry and physics is actually, you need 1,000 of those to make 1 food calorie. And that's equal to 1 kilocalorie, which is abbreviated kcal. If you look at food packages from other countries, especially in Europe, you're not going to see calories on the back. You're actually going to see kilocalories. They're the same unit. But just know that 1 food calorie is actually 1,000 little calories. And then finally, how does this all relate back to how much energy is in a joule? Well, 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. So it takes 4.184 joules of energy to heat 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Now, how do I convert from one energy unit to another? Well, it's a conversion, so I'm going to use stoichiometry. For example, what if I had 8 calories and I need to convert this to joules? Well, it's my given. I put it over 1 times a new fraction. Calories go on the bottom, and I want joules on top. Calories now cancel. I'm left with the unit I want, joules, and I know that 1 calorie is 4.184 joules, and I solve this to get 33.47 joules. So just like all unit conversions, I just use stoichiometry and the relationships that I was given here.